Sorry about the wind noise. Here's the CPU fan and heatsink removal on one of these Dell motherboards. Sorry about the wind noise, guys. You get the gist. You want to remove the one GPU screw down here, and these are marked by 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Want to do in the exact same order as that, counting. Here we go. Starting with 1, then 2. Here we go. Then 3. Want to do it in the exact same order as that. Then you want to lift up on the no, it's not even all the way off here. Oh no, I got this. You know that. Okay. The rear, the back plate. Scrap the screwdriver. The rear back plate will fall off here. This is the back plate. Set that to the side. Then you want to flip this board over. All right. Flip the whole thing over. All right. See the slow fan connection. Unplug it. Sorry about the wind noise. Once again, we're outside. That's why. There we go. There's a heatsink and fan assembly. And we're gonna show you how you want to put this thing back on. All right. Easy peasy. See these two big ones? You want to line up with the back plate, all right? Then you want to get the heatsink on there. You want to get the plug underneath the motherboard. Then you want to screw it back in. If anyone doesn't know how to do it, now you know how to do it, and it's pretty easy. You can do it on any computer motherboard you have. It just needs some practice. I've been working on these computers for a little couple years now. That's how I know my way around these motherboards very well, inside and out. Took me a little while to get hang of it, but now I built my own gaming computer and I know how to handle these boards. You want to plug in this back in. You want to plug in this little CPU fan, and then want to plug in the CPU fan back in. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.